All right, hello. This is a cold start of a Ariens ST504 snowblower. It's got a Tecumseh 5 horsepower. It's been sitting here over the night. Currently it's minus 11 degrees Celsius. And set it to run. Turn on the fuel petcock right there. Set the choke, half throttle, prime it, 1, 2, 3. And then I guess we can see if it starts. Should start. Usually it starts first pull. And there we go. It's a proper cold start. I can hold my hand on the muffler, so we can turn off the choke. Let the idle down. There we go. That's it. Now I'm gonna let it heat up for a couple of minutes and then we will see. So it's heating up now. I'm not sure about the age. I think it's from the 1990, like thereabout. I paid right around $40 for it, or 500 Norwegian kroners. I think it was a good deal. I changed the oil and gave it like a quick tune-up, and that was about it. So after it's been heating up for a couple of minutes, we can try it out on some of the snow. Since it's so relatively cold, the snow is perfect for snow throwers. Alright, so it's been heating up for a few minutes. Now I guess we can test it out. So this is the transmission. It's got 4 forward speeds, 1 reverse speed. That all works good. I guess we can try 2. This is the thrower part. You can see it started to work. So let's bring it up to speed and see. Yeah, I think that's... There you go. That's the walk around of the Ariens ST504 from approximately 1990. Thank you for watching.